In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the True Strength Index indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the TSI set up on your chart and ready to use in your trading. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It usually sits near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main indicators and strategies window, which is where you can search for and add any tool you need. Inside this indicators window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through long lists. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there. Now, start typing the name of the indicator, True Strength Index. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results. You should see True Strength Index appear in the list below the search bar. Make sure you select the built-in version provided by TradingView, not a custom script, unless you specifically want a community version. Once you see True Strength Index in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do this, the indicator will be added to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the main price chart. With the indicator added, the next step is to adjust it to fit your trading style. On the left side of the TSI panel, or near its name, you'll see a small gear icon for settings. Click on that settings icon. This opens the settings window for the True Strength Index, where you can customize inputs, colors, line styles, and visibility. Take a moment to review the default settings. For many traders, the standard values are a good starting point, but you can tweak them if you already have a preferred configuration. You can also change the color of the TSI line and signal line to make them easier to see against your chart background. When you're happy with the way everything looks, click OK or close the settings window, and your updated TSI will remain on the chart. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want more advanced features and a smoother experience, you can use the link in my description to sign up. That's all you need to add the True Strength Index in TradingView Pro and get it ready for your analysis.